Ay! Sorry!
Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Na wag umulan. first.
The Royalties UK. So they are the Royalties UK maker of kids and they do bespoke pageant trainings and workshops, and they are all inclusive. Actually, so much info. Just contact the Royalties UK. We also welcome the Manila Glamour UK. Manila Glamour UK. Let's welcome the Yorkshire we would like to acknowledge once again the Yorkshire group that plays March United. They are actually two vibrant community organizations to be celebrating and preserving Filipino culture across Yorkshire. Next, Danza. Danza London. We welcome Sinulog Dorset UK. Sinulog. Then we have the Royalties UK Filipino Community. Once again, UK Filipino Community. Wave po kayo. Wave. Next, West Middlesex University Hospital and Chelsea and Westminster Hospital. And our nurses right on the Philippines. Danza London. Ambassador Donald C. Jr.
Thank you once again.
Mga friends natin from Yorkshire, Filipino community. Sila yan, wait po ulit.
Members and participants from Yorkshire Filipino Group, kaway naman kayo!
Cavitanias UK!
Let's welcome once again the Danza UK.
Up next, may we call our International Marketing Group. International Marketing
The award to our winner this year, the NJR Drum and Lark Corps. Palakpakan ho natin silang lahat at palakpakan ho natin ang ating winner, the NJR Drum and Lark Corps.
Okay, all the way from the countryside.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Cynthia.
Ganyan ka-busy ang Tres Marias. Busy sila. Ang daming tao na pumipila sa pagkain. It's lunchtime here. Yan, kumakain. Ha?
Sino wala? Kanino yung punan dyan?
Iwan ko, ito. May 3 pa, oh.
Bradford. YFG. YFG. Oo, YFG to.
I'm Portia from PFC po. ASAP England on August 30 at BP Pulse in Birmingham. So bili na po kayo ngayon. May promo po siya, 2+1 promo. If you buy 2 for 3 gold, that is 207. And then silver po, it's 167 na lang po.
Your number, please.
And my number is 077-948-946-9. 0947-43552.
Mas cheaper po kami compared sa
Cheaper po sa
online.
agent.
Yes, that's true. Watch na kayo. Mag-watch kayo, makakatulong pa kayo sa aking charity. Charity in Philippines.
Alright mga kababayan, the biggest Filipino artists are coming to England for the first time. ASAP England, happening on Saturday, 30th of August 2025 at BP Pulse, Birmingham. Over 30 iconic artists, one unforgettable concert, party experience. Discount.
Ang seating arrangement. Ito yun daw yung stage.
Para ma-compare mo siya.
Kaya, ganyan kalaki.
Bili na po kayo.
Oh, bili na daw kayo ng ticket. May silver, may gold.
Hanapin niyo po si Portia, si Lolita, si Edgar. So, thank you. Sige, balik
Okay.
kayo pag nag-decide kayo.
Ayan.
Sayang yung offer na.
Oo,
Bili lang po siya.
ate. Okay. Oh, sige na. Para dyan. Sa August 30, 2025. Promo. Yeah.
You'll get 30% discount. This is all.
May nag-birthday. Birthday dito, oh. Happy birthday na lang dyan. Putin. Santos. Yan magandang padalhan. Tourist.
Ay, pwede ipadala ito.
Yes.